This is when I'm wearing to work today. I re-bleached my brows. That's nothing to do with my fit. Well, kind of. But my whole fit is from Hot Topic except my pants. My pants are thrifted. And my key necklace was made by me. But I have my mermaid siren shirt on, and then this sweater. It's a fucking Pirates of the Caribbean one. Look at that. And then the hood. I don't know if this is going to show up. It might be backwards in the mirror. But it says Dead Man Tell No Tales. Yeah, that's definitely backwards. Anyways, it's super cute. And it's one of my only pieces of official, like, Pirates of the Caribbean merch. I'm still looking for... this came out, like, a decade ago during the last movie. It's the Davy Jones, like, treasure chest. It's the one where, like, his heart's in it. Except the piece of merch they made, it was a CD player. And I keep seeing people thrift it on TikTok, and I fear my thrift store, somebody needs to donate it so I can have it. Because that's made for me. I need it. So if the thrift gods are hearing this, they better put it there. For a good price. This is my CD player at the moment. It could be Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, I need that. Anyways, I leave in like 10 minutes. And I'm watching Bob's Burgers. Again.
Synchronized swimming will be the next math. We are so screwed. Everybody calm down. Huddle up. Come here. Take our way through this. We'll do a few of these, some of this, and maybe we'll be okay. Yeah. What man wears in the pool.
Oh my god, his wife is there too.
You can only piece together undervalued data on yourself and others. You can't imagine a stronger future version of yourself. Maybe that's because of your trump card. You believe that in the worst case, you can resolve everything at the cost of your life. And at that point, forget about beating me. You'll never even measure up to none of me. Dying to win, and risking death to win. A completely different Mega Man. Give it your best. agreed here.
Okay, so as you can tell, I'm wearing my girl, and I may have bought her as a blanket as well. So I'm banning myself from browsing the Hot Topic website from here until further notice, because too much money that I should be saving while living in America, but little things bring me joy. So I go back and forth with that sentiment, unfortunately. But look how cute! And she's so soft. Ah! I'll have to show you guys when my bed is made, because I have like the little red like sequins pillows I showed a while back that I got from an estate sale under my red blanket with this on top with Pochita. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. But yeah, I can't wait. Here's Pochita right now. Just chilling in my unmade bed because I don't work today.